You might be in a situation where for some reason your mail inside of your iPhone, app, whatever your iPhone phone, for some reason the mail application just isn't refreshing or it's not updating. Now, sometimes this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the main reason why something like this could end up happening is usually because of some Wi Fi connection or internet connection problem. So, what you're going to want to do here is you want to go through and you just want to double check your Wi Fi connection and your internet connection. So, go inside of your iPhone settings right over here, scroll down until you find your Wi Fi connection, cell connection, things like that. And all you're going to want to do here is just to go through and double check those connections. That's going to be one of the easiest things you can do. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So double check your Wi Fi connection, double check your cellular connection. Those are kind of the big things I'd recommend doing. If that's still not working, you might want to double check your mail accounts that you have associated to. So you might want to go through, make your way over into your mail application portion. So if you have a little like apps panel down here, if you scroll down until you find the mail app, that can also go through and kind of help you kind of manage your accounts. So if you come into the mail app portion here, if you tap in mail accounts, you're going to be able to go through and see all the different types of, accounts that you have associated with it. And you can go through and make sure your account is here. When your account is here, you can also tap onto it and you can also manage your account this way as well. So just go through, double check that your account is here, make sure there's no issues with it. And that can also be another way to fix it. You might also want to try updating your iPhone or restarting your iPhone. That will probably end up fixing it for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much. But definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.